Welcome to Adapting Class. If you're preparing for the TEAS 7 exams, you need to master the science questions that comes up over and over again. I have 10 questions that are high yield that shows up on the TEAS exams. I'm going to give you mnemonics, easy way to remember them on anatomy, physiology, and biology. This is video number 9. Follow the series and you learn all the things you need to know for the TEAS exams. These questions are designed to help you pass your exams. The first one, which of the following correctly describe the primary role of the alveoli in the respiratory system? Transport oxygen via hemoglobin, exchange gases between air and blood, filter dust particles from inhaled air, or control the rate of the breathing. You have to know the function of the alveoli. What is the easy way to remember it? I know you have so many things to remember, but the simple way to remember is this. This is what I give it to you. Air to blood, blood to air. This is the mnemonic. This is the memorable information you need. Therefore, what? The sac where oxygen goes in and out, carbon dioxide comes out. So we're looking for what? An air to blood and blood to air, which is the sac. Which of these answers represent that patient? Which of this? Think about it. Transport oxygen via hemoglobin. Exchange gases between air and blood. Do you see air and blood there? That's your mnemonic. Right answer is number 2. Which blood vessel carry oxygenated blood to the heart? You have a vein, you have arteries, we have venous and capillary. The heart is a structure, receive oxygenated blood from the lung, deoxygenated blood from the rest of the system. It's saying oxygenated blood out to your system. Which vessel is responsible for carry oxygenated blood to the heart? Think about it. Let me show you. This is the buzzword. Vein. That structure is a vein, but full of oxygen. Pulmonary vein is the only vein that carry oxygenated blood to what? The heart. It has oxygen-rich blood. Therefore, which vessel will be a vein? Next question. Which structure of the nephron is responsible for the initial filtration of blood? Think about it. The structure you're going to pick should be part of the nephron. 2, it should be initial. So you look at the answer choice, you say, loop of Ellen, is it part of the nephron? Distal convoluted tube, is it part of the nephron? Glomerulus, is it part of the nephron? Collecting tube, is it part of the nephron? All of them are part of it. But how do you answer the question? Listen to the buzzword in the question. It's an initial filtration. And what is that? G for gateway. G is the gateway, the beginning. Glomerulus is the gate where blood first enters the nephron for filtration. Based on the buzzword, what do you think is the answer? Glomerulus is the right answer. So these are mnemonics. These are easy way to remember these questions. Which macromolecule is primarily broken down in the small intestines by bile and lipid? Therefore, the answer choice you will pick, it has to be macromolecule. Second, it has to be broken down in the intestines, and it has to be done by what? Bile and lipase. Think about it. Carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and nucleic acid. Even if you don't know, there's something in the question. Bile and lipase, there's L-I-P-S. Therefore, I'm picking an answer choice that look like lipase. But I have a better one for you. Look, bile breaks butter. Bile breaks butter, right? Butter is a fat, right? Bile emulsify fat. Lipase break them down further. Therefore, which answer choice you pick? I pick number 3. Easy way to remember that. Which part of the nervous system control voluntary muscle movement? Autonomic, somatic, sympathetic, and parasympathetic. Think about it. There's 2, parasympathetic and sympathetic. That form function of what? Autonomic nervous system. This is a test-taking strategy. Sympathetic, parasympathetic are autonomic nervous system, which is number 1. Therefore, I know number 2 is the right answer. So S for skeletal, somatic, skeletal muscle control, and voluntary. Which organelle modify, sort, package protein for secretion? That organelle you are going to pick should do all these things. Golgi apparatus, ribosome, what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome. Think about it. Easy way. Easy way to memorize them is what? The Golgi is a gift wrap. The Golgi is a gift wrap. So when you see a question about Golgi, a gift wrap things up. You package protein like a gift before you send them out. Easy way to remember what is the function of what? The Golgi apparatus. Next one, which layer of the skin contains sweat gland, follicle, and nerve endings? I'm doing this in the rapid fire way. I think that's the easy way to memorize them so that you can understand. Like a test did. Epidermis, dermis, apodermis, stratum cornea. Think about it. Skin has different layers. All these are layers of the skin. But which one contains sweat gland, hair follicle, and nerve endings? That means that portion of the skin is doing a lot of work. It can't rest. So that's the mnemonic. D for doing things. I'm doing a bunch of things. Therefore, if I'm doing a bunch of things, I have to be the dermis, which is the active skin layer. It has the gland, it has the hair, and the sensory nerve. Does that make sense? 7 questions. I know you aced them. Stop the video. You can answer it your own, and you can put your comments down, which one you liked in the mnemonic, and let me know. Which hormone is secreted by the adrenal gland during fight and flight response? Pick an answer choice that will give you fight and flight. Insulin, epinephrine, cortisol, and glucagon. Think about it. You have to know a little bit of content. Adrenal gland secrete what we call monoamines, right? The medulla doesn't secrete cortisol. It's the cortex. The glucagon is coming from the liver. Therefore, what is left is epinephrine. And you know insulin is secreted by the pancreas. But I'll give you a better idea. Fight and flight is the key I'm going to follow now. And therefore, E is for emergency. So epinephrine kicking when energy or danger strikes. Easy way to memorize it. 2 more. Which process describes the movement of water across selective memory, permeable memory? It's a process. Water across selective permeable memory. 2 membranes that can go through it, right? And water crosses it. From low solid concentration to high solid concentration. Active transport, diffusion, osmosis, and filtration. 9 out of 9. I know you got it. The idea is water across a selective permeable memory. From low solid concentration to high solid concentration. How do you remember it? I give you this. Water chases salt. Water chases salt. So water moves towards higher solid concentration. Therefore, where is the water going to move? The process of movement of water across a selective permeable memory from a low concentration to high concentration is what? Water moving towards salt. So our move towards salt is called what? Osmosis. And the last one, which blood type is considered the universal donor for red blood cell? That means you give all. You don't hold anything. Type O, A plus, AB plus, O negative, AB. Mnemonic, easy way. O, open to all. I am open to all. So O is safe for everybody. 10 questions, rapid review, practice test for T7, Anatomy, Physiology, and Biology. I know you're going to ace it. If you like this video, comment on this video, share with your friends. And this is the video number 9. You should follow the series. There's a playlist you can play of that. But this is the best way to answer your questions if you have been struggling with what? Anatomy, Physiology, Biology portion of the TEAS exams. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.